Hey there, welcome to our channel TechiesGuru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can remove the Grimace stick on the Capcut. For that, simply what you need to do is firstly you need to choose any random Grimace stick photo or video and screenshot that Grimace stick photo from the TikTok and come into Capcut, and here you need to add that photo that you screenshotted from the TikTok. And once you are here, then what you need to do to remove this Grimace stick effect is simply here go back first and tap on edit, and here is the cutout option. Simply tap on cutout. So once you are here on the bottom of the screen, you will see customize cutout. Simply tap on that and tap on browse, and here what you need to do is accept the Grimace stick. You need to browse every part here like this, and once you are done with browsing the other part except the Grimace effect, then you need to tap on tick mark on the bottom right of the screen, and now here you can see the Grimace stick has already been removed on the Capcut. So following this easy and simple trick, you can easily remove the Grimace stick on the Capcut. Thank you.